Yo, we got the new Amber update, guys.
Timmy!
Should we try?
Everybody
I'm gonna
here?
try.
Everybody
I'm
here?
trying. Oh, I got jump scared.
I'm here for the boss.
Bro, it's
Boss,
2 minutes
what
left and
weapons
then we go
do
to
we
the
need?
portal.
What weapons
Yo.
do we need though?
He
What
has the
weapons do
new
we need, though?
stuff. Let's go. He has
I
the
got a
new.
camera.
I'm gonna buy this, and I'm also gonna buy the camera. Nice.
Anybody have
A camera. 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 Camera, guys. I don't have no weapons. Oh no.
Let me see.
Look, I'm going in. Oh gosh. Oh, we're here. Oh,
Who has guns? We need guns. Who has
I got these pistols. I got these pistols.
Let me see.
I got those pistols. I got these
Oh yes, get
pistols.
us all pistols.
And I
Get
got
us all
some of
pistols.
these. Some of these cameras.
Get us pistols. Get us pistols. We
Bah.
need pistols.
Some
Pistols are good.
pistols.
Alright, can you give us all pistols for the boss fight? Everybody come over here. He's gonna give us pistols for the boss fight. He's gonna give us pistols for the boss fight.
You're gonna give us pistols? Oh my god.
Yeah,
yay.
pistols.
Pistols.
Give everybody two.
Pistols.
Give everybody two.
Pistols.
Give everybody two. Whenever everybody has
Pistols.
two, tell us.
Pistols.
Don't use it. Don't use it on the. Don't use it on the monsters. Save
Pistols. People.
Save the pistols for the boss
Boss
fight.
fight. 3 minutes, everybody. 3
Pistols.
minutes. 3 minutes. I
Wait,
repeat,
3
3
minutes?
minutes. 3 minutes. Let's go. All right, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
I got my pistols. I got my pistols.
Everybody get ready.
Now,
We need
all right, we gotta get ready. We gotta get ready. Get ready. Get ready.
Where do we go for the boss fight?
The portal is right there. Don't go in yet. Don't go in yet. Don't go in yet.
When it happens, there's gonna be a portal right in the middle where the
Alright,
meat
who
man
could,
comes and, like, he spawns
wait,
in.
I need to
Those
change,
Uzi. I like that Uzi
places.
right
I'm gonna leave my gun here. Nobody pick it up.
Okay.
No, it'll disappear. It'll disappear.
Everybody listen. Everybody listen. Does anybody have a utility belt?
Yo,
Anybody have
what's
a utility
behind
belt?
here?
No. No.
What's behind this?
We need
Got
a-
it.
we
I
need
got
a-
it.
What's
Alright, let's
behind that? What's
Behind
behind
this
this
is
boss
over here.
fight?
It's this. Oh my god. It's
Oh my
kinda weird.
gosh.
I
Oh,
don't
what
like
the?
it.
Me neither, bro.
Hey, I gotta respawn because I got
So
stuck.
y'all saying?
No,
so y'all are
I
saying we
didn't
could
be
get
there,
this
bro.
from it?
I
We could
did
get this
not
from
do
there. We could get like these plushies from it.
Yeah,
Yes, you
I
can.
like that
Yes,
one.
you
I
can.
want that. No, that one looks cooler.
minutes.
though.
I want this one. I want
Oh, 2
Can
minutes.
we get something from here too?
Let's go, guys. Let's
2
go.
minutes. 2 minutes. 2.
Oh,
Yeah,
minutes.
okay.
oh.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Shoot you.
Boss fight event. Wait,
Boss
guys,
fight.
the timer is not going. The timer is not going.
Everybody,
Open the timer.
everybody
No,
listen.
why-
It's not on.
Hey, no, don't use that.
Boss
we need
fight,
them
boss
for the
fight,
thing.
boss fight, yeah.
Boss fight.
Boss fight, boss fight, boss fight, boss fight.
Boss fight. Oh, I did. Please. Wait,
Ah, what
Hey, who owns
happened?
the gun again? Who owns the gun? Who
1
owns
minute.
the gun? You.
Everybody get ready.
Give him some guns.
minute.
Give him some
1
guns.
minute.
The green dude.
Everybody
Oh no, not. Never mind. Where's the guy that you? Give him some guns. Give him some.
Everybody,
guns.
1
Here are
minute.
my
Everybody,
guns,
I
here are
got
my
guns.
guns.
Here.
Oh.
Get the guns.
1
They're
minute,
like really
everybody get
good.
ready. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Don't use them
1
though.
minute,
Don't
let
use
me
them. They're
use
for the
1
boss. Okay.
minute.
Don't use them. Just wait for the boss. Wait for the boss. Don't use them on the monsters. Just
We could
We're gonna
start
do
a
this, bro.
we could start a
Guys, we're gonna do
lockdown.
this.
We could start a lockdown.
No, guys, I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna record this. I already started.
Bro, I'm putting this on my channel now.
Me too.
I'm putting this on my channel.
Alright, guys, so what we're doing right now,
We have the
we're getting
new
ready.
Amber update.
We're getting ready for the boss fight. Yeah. Is that
Bro, I really want that egg. I want that
Everybody
egg.
get ready. Everybody has guns.
Get ready, get ready, get ready.
Get ready. Have 2 guns.
We're gonna
Okay,
Get
you're
ready.
supposed to have 2
We're
guns.
gonna need a run.
Oh my god!
Oh crap. Over here. Oh, we're here. We're here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm at the Amber thing. Yo, let's go. Yo, where are the other people? I don't want to. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's go. 2 minutes.
Oh, guys!
Go, go, go!
Yo, let's go.
Everybody in.
We gotta
2
look at
minutes.
guns. Everybody
2
has
minutes,
two
people.
guns.
Everybody has 2 guns. Get guns.
Yes.
Get guns.
Listen. It says 2 minutes to prepare. Everybody,
2
get
minutes.
Ready, get ready,
Get ready, guys.
Get ready.
Get
Hands
ready.
up in the air.
Everybody,
Everybody
actually happening.
Just kidding.
What do those
happening.
do? What do those do?
Do not touch that.
Oh, it doesn't do
bloody.
anything. See? It doesn't do anything.
Open
Bro,
the door,
open
Mr.
up
Meat
soon.
Man.
This door's gonna open.
Wait,
Open the door, meat man. Open the door, meat man.
Someone's got
Open the door, meat man.
dying. Ah.
Wait, have you done it already? Have you done the boss fight with your pet?
No, I haven't done the boss fight yet. I'm
Me neither.
How do you have that?
Me neither, guys.
Wait,
Go
did you
ahead,
get
you
this
gotta
from
work.
the boss fight?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. This is from the normal X.
Oh, wait, could you get an egg from here? Could you get an egg from here?
Yes, you could.
This update.
You get a
this
meat
update
man
just
egg.
came out, so
Open
You
up
get
right
a
now.
meat man
Open
egg.
up right
I
now.
never played this update.
You get a
don't waste
meat
your
man
bullets.
egg.
Don't waste your bullets. Don't
Meat
waste
man
your
egg. Meat man egg. Let's go.
Meat man egg. Man egg.
Wait,
Go, go,
wait,
go,
how
go.
easy is this boss? How hard is this boss, guys?
Oh, this boss.
How hard is this boss?
This boss is hard. Okay.
Yeah, this
happens
boss.
if we don't die?
This boss has
Wait, do we have
20,000
infinite
health.
lives? Do we have infinite lives? This is my
What?
first
Yeah,
time.
yeah. We do.
I watched
have infinite-
I watched
Yeah.
on the Scary Baboon channel that this monster is actually very strong.
Yeah, I'm
that
fighting
video
the
just came
boss.
out today. This update just came
Guys,
out.
this boss fight has 40,000 health. We need to be careful.
Let me tell you guys something. Wait.
Yeah,
Wait, if we
40,000.
all lose our guns,
In
if
order
we
to-
if we all lose our guns,
Yeah,
do we come back
there's-
here and you buy us all?
Yo, look at the time. Look at the time. Oh my gosh.
Everybody, point your
Yo.
guns. Point your guns at the
Point
door.
your guns. Point your guns.
Point your
Wait,
dog.
No,
I mean, no
Point your
guns.
Point your guns.
Point your guns.
Okay, are we really gonna stand here for 44 seconds?
FBI, open
Alright,
up.
parkour. Let's do some parkour, guys.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah,
some
let's do some
parkour.
like this. Oh wait,
Oh, I'm a gorilla tech professional. Whatever, I got 10 seconds. Don't use your guns. Don't
Oh,
use your
guys,
guns.
look.
Everybody get ready,
Alright, point
Get
your
it
guns.
ready, get ready.
Point your guns.
Don't use your guns,
your guns.
guys. Don't use
Point
it.
your
Get ready, guys.
They disappeared.
13, 12, 11,
Look at-
11, 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go.
Everybody in.
Let's go, guys.
Get in. Oh my God.
No. Let us in the boss fight. Get through. Oh, crap. Hit him. Oh, crap. Get some guns, guys. Come on. Oh, crap. We can only use the boss.
I need guns.
I'm hitting them, guys. I'm hitting them. Ooh, you need to get cooked. Oh, holy crap. Shoot him. Oh, crap. Almost fell. No! He killed me! I'm gonna respawn.
Come on,
Respawn.
Wait, give me 2 guns, Crook.
Come on, let's
Give me
go.
2 guns, Crook.
Ah! Go.
I need guns.
Get some guns, guys. Get some guns. Guns.
Dropping them.
Guns. Come on, guys. Oh, here.
Gimme.
Get him. Oh, crap. What the heck?
Get in here.
Yeah, we gotta shoot him from here. And we don't take damage. Oh, crap. I'm a brave boy. I'm gonna take this off down. Holy crap. Never mind. Respawn, respawn,
Go back.
respawn,
Alright, guns.
respawn. We got 8 minutes, guys. 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Kill him, kill him.
I'm giving you guns.
Give me guns.
Give me guns.
I need guns.
Here. They do a lot of damage. Trust. There you go.
Everybody, pull the capsules off of it.
Shoot him, guys. Shoot him now.
I can't grab the gun. Oh, now I can.
Get him. Oh, crap.
Give me more guns. Give me more guns.
Oh, crap. Oh, my gosh. That was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Respawn.
Good job.
Go. Good guns.
Guns. Give me 2 guns.
Get away from it. Everybody, get away from it.
I need guns.
Oh, here. Take those.
Oh, nice shot.
Let's go. Oh, shoot his heart. Shoot him. Shoot his heart. No. Let me out. Up. Go up.
I got this. No, just kill the rifle.
Okay.
Give me the capsule. Got the capsule. Yes. Give me that.
Oh, crap. Ah! Yeah. Shoot him quickly, guys. Shoot him quickly. Ah! Holy crap. Die, meat man. I want this egg. No, meat man. Why'd you kill me, meat man?
Dead.
Damn. Oh, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Hurry. 5 minutes is not a lot. 5 minutes is not a lot, guys.
I need guns.
Gun. Here you guys go. Here. All right, let's hit him. Heart. Oh, crap.
Attack.
I'm hitting him. Oh my gosh. We have. God. Damn it. How much minutes? How much more minutes? Shoot his heart. All right. No, gun.
Go up.
I'm going up.
Give me a axe.
Can I get a gun? Please.
Give me 2 guns, please.
I need a weapon.
Oh no. Here. Oh crap.
Ow.
Owie.
Exactly. Owie.
How much more health does he
4
have?
minutes. Owie. Ow. He hurt me.
Give me 2 guns.
We gotta kill Meat Man. For the neck.
Let's go.
Kill him. Okay. Kill him.
I'm gonna kill him.
Kill him. Die, Meat Man. We need this egg. Come on. How much health do you have? Yes. You did it. One more, guys. One more.
We got it.
That's not the egg. Oh crap.
Get the back. Yeah.
Shoot him. Oh, he killed me. 3 minutes. How are we supposed to kill Meat Man? How are we supposed to kill Meat Man in 3 minutes, bro? Yo. Yo, this is kill him! 70, 70, 70! Oh crap! He's not getting his damage! Axe! No! 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the clock.
I died.
Get him! Get him!
Come on.
Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! We got this. We got this in the bag, bro. We got this in the bag. Yes. Ah! Ah! Run! Run! Ah!
Take the castle.
Ah!
Take it off. Take the castle.
Die! Come on! Oh! Oh crap! Come on! Come on! Yes! 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 1 minute!
Get him. Get him, everybody. We're almost done. Look at the green light. What's that? Mean how close we are?
No, no, no.
Everybody, attack!
Attack! Ah! Oh, holy crap!
Come on, Maggie,
Uh,
Maggie off! Get off!
yeah.
Maggie, come back!
Holy crap!
Holy crap, he's strong! We have
I know, right?
10 seconds left.
Go, 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 go! No, 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 no! I need this egg, bro. I need this egg. You don't know how this egg is so cool. Ah!
Go, Ryan!
I'm going. I'm going. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, bow, bow. Ah! Oh no. Ah! Oh! No!
26 seconds!
Come on, we gotta kill him. We gotta kill him now.
Alright, give me 2 guns. Give me 2 guns. Give me 2 guns.
Wait. If I give you all 2 guns, we're not gonna defeat him.
Alright, give me 2 guns.
Get it! Get it! Quick! Shoot him! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
How much more? No, we're done. Give me.
Go, 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 go!
It's hard!
Kill him!
It's hard!
No!
No, get it!
Bro, how much health?
Everybody, thanks for wasting my time. Thanks for wasting my time. Guys,
What?
listen. You guys all died, and I was just killing him, bro. I did not care. I'm leaving.
Yo,
They're
how
both
much
leaving.
health does he have, bro?
Bro, I'm recording this to send this to my brother, bro. This is crazy. Yo. Now we gotta wait 46 minutes. Oh yeah. Come here, everybody. Come here. Everybody, come here. Modes.
Yo, we need more loads of people. We need loads of
join-
people, bro.
No, we don't. It's just us here, okay? Listen. Join code IDC, okay? IDC.
IDC.
Oh, revamp that, bro.
Yo,
Bro, I'm getting
Bro,
rage baited
thank you.
by it. Bro,
bro.
I'm actually
Bro.
tired of this game mode. Bro, stop making me choose the
Yo, bro,
stupid
did you do the new update?
Yes,
Bro,
I seen the new
How
stuff.
much health did
I'm
he
getting
have?
swarmed
How much health
a
did
lot.
A
Bro
good
have?
health. He has a lot.
Yeah, I know. He has like 40,000 and 59,000 million.
But look what I have. No, that can be the backrooms pattern. This can be it.
Like,
Look,
bro.
look what I got from the meat man thing.
Okay.
Bro, help me! I want that.
No, I beat it twice in a row. It's easy. I
It's not easy. How is it easy?
Oh,
I forgot. Guys, should we all do the meat man
did
event
you keep
together?
any progress in the
Yeah.
games you
What?
played?
Why are you guys trying to trap me?
Like,
I forgot about my meat. Who wants a
that's
100
good.
free gold? Do you want 100 free gold? Yeah.
Sure, but I know you don't got it.
Come on then.
No, there's a code in lab. There's a code in lab.
That's what I'm doing. Come on. Come on, if you want 100 free gold in lab.
Yeah, I'll take some.
It's from a code. It's from a code.
Okay, what is
Come on,
it?
I was
What's
trying
the
to tell
code?
you all about it earlier.
What's the
but no
code?
one
What's up?
listens.
If you go into lab, go to the new code machine. Type up meat boss. MEATBOSS. How do I spell it? Ashley, can you come with
Me, boss. Alright.
Wait, where's the boss fight? I bought an egg. Let's see what I get. Sure, let's see. Hope you get something good. Yo,
Meat.
I got my first epic. I don't own them. It's him. Ask him. Good for you. I only have this rare. I have two rares and three coins. You have no rare? I have a rare. Oh, wait, let's see what I get. Let's see what
Yo,
I
guys, there's a new code. There's a new code.
get. What is it?
What is it?
Meat boss. Meat boss. Meat boss.
Oh, that's the new code, meatballs.
It gives you 100 gold.
God, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm not lying. I just
Wait, how you spell meatballs? How you spell meatballs?
MEATBOSS.
Oh, shoot, there's
Yes, sir.
meatballs or meatball? Meat.
A. So it's MEA.
E. Oh, what do you want? Actually, meatballs. Enter. Meat.
So it's
Invalid
so it's-
code. It didn't work for me.
Yeah, it worked for me too.
What the?
It worked for me. You probably spelled it wrong, bro.
Bro.
Oh, go in, guys, go in the portal. Oh, we're in.
Start throwing them everywhere for everyone, okay? You playing a game just like about fighting? I played a game. Wow. Yo, can you give me a gun? We have to hit the horror. That is no. We're gonna spam.
Dude, guys, this is it. This is it, guys. Let's go. Okay. 5. I need to defeat this boss. Sorry, I'm not talking. It's just so intense. Come on! Holy crap! I'm scary. Yeah, that's the move. Bruh!
Wait, what's the next one?
Yo, that's not fair, bro. How much health does bro have?
No, wait, he didn't even get to 100,000. Sir, where's Mutant Meat Man? Guys, don't give me a gun. I need a gun. I'm not even dead.
Guys, everybody, let me tell you something.
I really want.
Everybody, can I tell you something? Look it.
Yes.
I was having a shield, and I put it right here.
You can
I
get a
didn't
meat
fucking
blaster.
die.
So it does like more damage than like any other.
So I just stay in there, so I
Someone
couldn't
give me
go
a
back
gun,
out.
please. I need a gun.
Yo,
I'll give you an extra light soda if you give me a gun. I'll give you an extra health soda if you give me a gun.
Come
They
guys,
just
get a new shield and take the batteries off.
Bro, I
Those are
watched
guns.
the video. I watched the
Guys,
video.
why
and
is only
it
boss
does
I?
not.
Why is only boss I? How do you change it?
Can someone give me an Uzi or automatic
Yes,
pistol?
so from Scarab Baboon Official.
Boss.
Bro, wir müssen jetzt 50 Minuten warten.
Yo.
Oh, hell no.
I didn't know that you can grab
Daniel,
guns from up there,
Wissen,
bro.
wo ich diese Kette her habe?
I thought you had to wait. I thought you had to wait until you
Komm
died.
in
to
den
get
Shop.
guns.
Da will ich
Yeah,
hin mit
us
dir.
come. Guys, someone give me a soda. I'll give you an extra health soda if you give me
That's
a
crazy.
gun.
Yo, I got
Night
an extra health soda. Let me try it.
Guys,
Ooh.
every time it happens again, if you haven't saw when he gets hurt, he goes
Everyone
slow. I
gotta
have to
lock
go to the
in.
cafeteria with me. I want to get to
We
the
gotta
food.
lock in
I want
next
to come
time,
to the
bro.
cafeteria with me.
Everyone's gotta lock in.
Oh yeah, I also have a. How did you get that like eye thing though? I have a
think
fluffier red.
from Dreams
Yeah,
and
the
Nightmares. There's
seraphim
like a-
head thing.
this.
Red. Red.
If you go to Dreams and Nightmares and you go
Guys,
into the
Meat
house,
Man
there's
is coming.
cosmetics in there.
Meat Man is coming.
Are they free?
Meat Man. Oh, never mind. Now Black
It's like,
Google's
I
coming.
paid 75 coins.
Meat
for
Man
this.
fast.
That's when I was
Okay,
like,
let me
really
get it
fast.
Me Man fast?
Well, anyways, let's go to cafeteria. Let's go to cafeteria. Oh, this one is the fast Meat Man. The other one is the regular Meat Man. Now I know. Come on, guys, cafeteria.
No, really? I already went to Yo, I can't wait to lock in.
Guys, do not go that way. Who's white? Who's white? He's the guy with the bleeding face.
Oh, it worked! It worked! Oh!
Bro,
The extra health worked! Extra health worked!
Wait, when do the
Yo.
bosses come?
Red
When do
is
the
here.
bosses come?
In an hour.
Yeah,
White is
that's
near.
when I actually knew
Black
that,
Goo Goos
like, you
is
could grab
coming.
stuff from
I
up
called
there.
it.
No, like,
Meat Man.
before you
Meat Man fast.
told me that you figured out.
Meat Man is fast.
I hate
Oh.
smoking. I really
Yeah,
Come, come,
yeah.
come.
Oh, there's
White.
white. Bro, why'd I think there's only the bosses coming out?
White is coming. Alright, White, he just passed. White is
don't
coming.
go that
White
way
until I say so.
I really want to be
White is
there.
coming.
Don't go that
White
way
is
until I
coming.
say so. That would be so fun. What if we're just both mobs?
Meat Man
Oh,
fast. Meat
it
Man fast is
worked!
here.
It
You have to
worked!
get ready to book it.
Yo, that's crazy.
Alright, Fred is the nearest right now.
But if you're admin, it will be 2 times.
Now's your chance. Go, go, go. Oh wait, never mind.
No,
Go.
but if you were, no, I meant like if you're
No.
admin, like, 2 times